This installation is going to be for the furnace blower guard kit. There's 3 different models available. You need to find the corresponding kit that goes to the corresponding model of furnace that you're going to be installing it in. The first kit is the BGK-1S. The second kit is the BGK-2S. And the third kit is the BGK-HYB or hybrid kit. All right, so when you first open your kit, we're going to find out what contents are in the kit. So as you open the kit, the first part you're going to find is the blower guard PCB. The second is a little bag that has a multitude of parts in it. It has a 3/8 grommet, a U-shaped copper tube. It has one 2-inch rubber hose. It has 2 3/8 number 8 drill point screws and 3 1-inch number 6 drill point screws. Next part within the kit is going to be the pressure switch. You're going to find a wiring harness within the kit. You'll find 3 zip ties, 1 wiring diagram label, 2 attention labels, and the installation instructions that has a template on page 7 of the kit. All right, next up, we're looking at the list of tools required to complete this installation. First is an electric drill. Second is a file or deburr tool, a 3/8 inch drill bit, 1/4 inch nut driver bit, 5/16 inch nut driver bit, some tape, multimeter, and needle nose pliers. All right, step 1 of the installation is we're going to disconnect all wiring from the furnace main control board. Step 2, remove drain trap assembly.
Doing it this way.
Step 3, from blower compartment, locate and remove screws from blower support rail. Step 4, remove the blower assembly by pulling it from the blower compartment. Step 5, cut out pressure switch mounting template located on page 7 and affixed to the back side of the blower housing with tape. Ensure template is centered between the scroll housing sides and the top of the template is adjacent to the blower housing flange. Mark locations for rubber grommet and pressure switch mounting. Remove template after use. Step 6. Drill a 3/8 inch hole in blower housing at location marked. Hole for U-shaped tubing. Remove any burrs and then install the 3/8 inch grommet. Seven, place pressure switch onto blower housing with pressure switch tab facing the flange so that the bracket aligns with holes previously marked for holes for pressure switch from template. Step number 8. Install provided 3/8" number 8 drill point screws to a fixed pressure switch to the blower housing. Step 9. Install copper U-tube through grommet and connect 2" rubber hose between the copper tube and the black port on the pressure switch. Ensure the hose is securely connected to both sides. Ensure copper U-tube inside blower housing is pointed down. Step 10. Install pressure switch wiring connections. Route wiring alongside existing auxiliary limit wires on the motor side. Secure harness wiring by affixing to auxiliary wires with the provided zip ties. Reinstall blower housing and drain trap assemblies. Step 12. Find a suitable mounting location for the blower guard PCB on the existing furnace control mounting panel. Verify that the kit wiring harness will extend to the proposed location of blower guard PCB. The blower guard PCB must be located so that it does not interfere or come in contact with any existing components. Step 13. Use caution to protect wiring and the furnace control board. Install 1" number 6 drill point screws through the PCB standoffs. Step 14. Connect the furnace 12-pin harness removed in step 2 to the mating end of the kit harness. Connect the remaining end of the 12-pin harness to the furnace PCB 12-pin connection. Step 15. Connect the 5-pin connector of the kit harness to the mating 5-pin connector on the blower guard PCB. Step 16. Connect the 3-pin connector of the kit harness to the mating 3-pin location on the blower guard PCB. Reconnect remaining furnace PCB wires removed in step 2. 17. Remove the motor neutral wire from its current location on the furnace main control board. Step 18. Pass the motor neutral wire through the current sensing component of the blower guard PCB and connect the neutral wire to its original location on the furnace control board. Step 19. Leave kit installation instructions on site with the furnace installation manual for future reference. Step 20. Restore electrical supply to furnace. Turn on the gas valve and verify operation in heating, cooling, and continuous fan modes. Step 21. Affix the kit wiring diagram label to near the one provided with the original gas furnace. 22. Determine an approximate location on the top furnace door and coil door to affix the attention label included with the kit. Before affixing the labels to the equipment, ensure that the locations selected are thoroughly cleaned of any debris and dirt. And affix one of the labels on the top door of the furnace and the other to the coil door in that chosen location.